Welcome to the AccuWeb web hosting video tutorial. Today, we will guide you on how to delete an FTP account in Webuzo control panel. If you want a PDF file of this video tutorial, you can download it from our Telegram channel, AccuWeb Hosting. We have mentioned our Telegram channel link in the description. Kindly click on the link and find the PDF file of this video tutorial. Before we begin, take a look at AccuWebHosting.com to review various hosting services offered by us. You can contact us through chat, phone, or send us an email at sales@AccuWebHosting.com. Let's begin the tutorial. Log in to your end-user account of the Webuzo control panel. Go to the FTP section and click on Manage FTP Account. Under Manage FTP, a list of existing FTP accounts will appear in the form of a table. Click on the Delete icon inline to the user you want to delete. You will see one warning pop-up box with the message, "Are you sure want to delete this FTP user?" It also has the option to delete the home directory of the user. Tick or untick the box saying select the checkbox to delete the FTP home directory as per your choice. Warning: if you choose to delete the FTP home directory, all data of the FTP account will also disappear. We recommend you take a full backup of the account before you delete it from the hosting. Now click the Yes button to delete the FTP user. You will get the message, "FTP account deleted successfully," once the FTP account removal process is complete. In this process, Webuzo will remove the FTP user from the list and delete the account. Congratulations! You have successfully deleted an FTP account from the Webuzo control panel. Let's quickly sum up the context of this video. We saw how to delete an FTP account in Webuzo control panel. Hope this video will be helpful for you. If you like our technical videos, please press the subscribe button and bell icon to receive instant notification of our new videos. Each like is important to us, so do not forget to symbol us. To download a PDF file of this video, please subscribe to our Telegram channel, AccuWeb Hosting, where you will have access to the PDF files of all our videos. Thank you for watching.